Friday morning, the temperature in my house was 48 degrees. I am heading over to meet Roger and Patrick. Roger has a project he's working on. I believe he's got some engine guards that he's going to put onto his Kawasaki Concourse. And I figured, what else can I get free entertainment watching him try to put those bars on the bike? No, I'm just kidding. I'm going to go try to give him a hand any way I can, because I know it can be frustrating. Patrick, I believe, is going to be there filming it, and he is going to, I'm sure, heckle the heck out of him, make him feel even worse. So, that'll be a good time. I got about a 35-40 minute ride. The roads right now are pretty clear. Not a lot of traffic, thankfully. The rush is over for the morning. We'll see.
You know, I bet there's just how I did that. I just screwed that oil filter on there and was going to slide the oil out over there so I can get to it. And I bet I just went ahead and tightened up the drain plug.
Yeah. It's 22 foot-pounds. Uh-oh, you better loosen it.
Is it 22?
Yeah. 30 newton meters.
Alright, made contact.
Watch that fight. Well, Roger has completed putting his brackets on. It looks good. Now we're going to go for a ride. Check things out. We are all planning a trip this coming week. Well, today is Friday, but I think Monday we're going to try to head south and down into possibly Georgia, South Carolina. We'll get out of some of the higher elevations. It might be a little bit warmer, obviously less ice and snow areas. This will be a 2 or 3 day trip. Not too far, just enough to get out. Blow some of the cobwebs off these machines. So up ahead we have Patrick from Moto Ramblings. He's on a big beautiful gold wing. And then taking up second place is Roger from Riding the Thin Lines. Roger is on a 2014 Kawasaki Concourse. Another beautiful machine. And I'm on the 22 Pan America today. I'll probably take the BMW R1100 on our trip to Georgia, but so I wanted to get the Harley out today and just run this a little bit. I'll give the BMW a break because it's going to be running, I would say, probably a total of about 500 miles next few days. So we'll let her rest in the barn and see what we could do on this today. And I wasn't sure what Roger and Patrick were going to do, if they were going to ride today or not, and if they were planning on using their adventure bikes. It doesn't matter. I can take this thing on or off road. It doesn't matter to me. It certainly doesn't matter to the bike. It doesn't care either way. It does. This Pan American does very well on road and dirt trails. To me, it's like a big Jeep. Pretty much take you anywhere you want to go. We are outside of Weaverville currently. We just left Roger's house. And we are on our way to Marshall, I believe. We'll visit one of the little restaurants in downtown Marshall. Still one of my favorite towns. Well, Patrick and I just stopped here in Marshall's at Madco Pizza Company. It's a little, I think it's a microbrew, and they also make pizza. Got ourselves a little personal pizza. And now we're heading back up here. We're trying to find a CVS Pick up a couple things. Try to get a card for my lovely bride. After all, Valentine's Day is tomorrow.